Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we'll take a close look at the Lenovo Legion 5, specifically examining the motherboard and hard drive. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips #0 screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. You'll also need a can of compressed air for cleaning. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from the power source. Remove the battery if it's removable, as this will prevent any electrical shorts while we work. Use the Phillips #0 screwdriver to unscrew the back panel. There are a total of 10 screws securing it, so make sure to keep them organized. It's advisable to place them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the spudger to pry open the back panel. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips that hold it in place. As you lift the panel, you'll expose the internal components of the laptop. Take a moment to observe the layout. Next, let's focus on the motherboard. Look for any dust accumulation using the compressed air. This is crucial as dust can impede performance and cause overheating. Remember, if you don't have the tools or are unsure about performing this task, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, let's examine the hard drive. Located near the center of the laptop, you'll see a metal bracket holding it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing this bracket. Carefully slide the hard drive out. If you're considering an upgrade, this is a good time to replace it with a larger SSD for enhanced speed. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your device serviced without any hassle. After inspecting the hard drive, check the connectors on the motherboard. Ensure there are no loose connections or damage that might affect performance. If everything looks good, it's time to reinstall the hard drive. Slide it back into place, secure it with the bracket, and replace the screws. With the hard drive installed, let's move back to the motherboard. Check for any signs of wear, such as bulging capacitors or burned areas. If you notice anything unusual, it's best to consult with a professional. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Finally, before putting the back panel on, give the internal components one last clean with compressed air. This will ensure optimal airflow and cooling for your laptop. Once done, reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure each screw is tightened firmly, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the casing. Now that everything is back in place, reconnect your laptop to the power source and power it on. You should notice improved performance, especially if you've upgraded your hard drive. If you face any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, with our services, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel. That wraps up our detailed review of the Lenovo Legion 5, focusing on the motherboard and hard drive inspection. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your laptop and enhance performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.